everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to use Viber on your Android device for beginners. Viber is a popular messaging and calling app that allows you to connect with friends and family around the world for free. Get ready to be walked through this step-to-step tutorial on how to get started with Viber on your Android phones. Step 1. Downloading and installing Viber on your Android device. Open up the Google Play Store app from your Android phone. In order to get started, in the search bar type in Viber and search. Tap on the Viber application and tap the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch Viber. Step 2. Set up your Viber account. Upon opening up Viber for the first time, tap on the Start Now button from the main interface. You will then be prompted to select your country code and enter a phone number. After entering a phone number, tap on Continue. Allow necessary permissions for the app and get to the verification page. You will now need to verify your phone number, and once it is verified, on the next page, enter some of your information. Set up your profile by adding in your name and a profile picture. You can type in your name, date of birth, and an email address in the text boxes and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. If you've previously used Viber, you can easily back up your chat history and restore them. To restore your chat history you previously backed up, tap on Restore Now, or you can also skip the step by tap and skip. Allow some more permissions for Viber so that you can start using the app. Step 3. Explore Viber features. Once your account is set up, you will be taken to the Viber's home screen. Here, you will see your recent conversations and contacts. Tap on the message bubble at the bottom right in order to start a new chat. Select a contact or a group you would like to start a chat with. Once you select a contact, you can now type in your text message in the text box and send a message by tapping on the send button in purple at the bottom right. Here, you can also tap on the calls icon at the top right in order to make voice or video calls to your contact. Also, you can explore other features such as Viber Out for making international calls, stickers and emojis, and much more. Step 4. Customizing Viber settings. If you want to customize your Viber settings, you will need to tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner from the main homepage of Viber. Now click on the Settings button in order to access various options such as notifications, privacy, and account settings. Adjust the settings according to your preferences such as changing the notification sound, managing privacy settings, or updating your profile information. Step 5. Start messaging and calling. To start a new chat on Viber, tap on the little speech bubble icon in purple at the bottom right hand corner from the chat menu. Select a contact from your contact list and in the text message box at the bottom, type in a message in the text field and tap on the send button to send it. You can also send voice messages by tapping on the little microphone icon at the bottom right and holding the microphone icon. You can now speak your voice message, and once you are done recording, release the microphone button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send voice message to the contact as well. Apart from voice messages, you can also share a contact, photo, video, your location, a file, and other application information via Viber. And there you have successfully set up Viber on your Android device and ready to start messaging, calling, and staying connected with friends and family around the world. That is how you can easily start using Viber on Android device as a beginner. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.